Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Vinegar can be used as a natural remedy to help reduce food odor. Its acidic properties can help eliminate the bacteria that cause odor. However, it's important to note that vinegar may not completely eliminate the odor if there is an underlying medical condition causing it. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent food odor. If you'd like to try using vinegar for food odor, you can follow these steps. Firstly, fill a basin with warm water. Make sure there's enough water to submerge your feet. Add half cup of vinegar, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Soak your feet in the vinegar solution for about 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, rinse your feet with clean water and pat them dry thoroughly. Repeat this process daily or a few times a week until the food odor improves. It's worth mentioning that vinegar has a strong smell of its own, and this smell may linger on your feet even after rinsing. If you find the smell unpleasant, you can try adding a few drops of essential oil, such as tea tree oil or lavender oil, to the vinegar solution to help mask the odor. Remember, food odor can be caused by various factors, including poor hygiene, excessive sweating, fungal infections, or certain medical conditions. If food odor persists despite home remedies, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.